Okay guys, so you're welcome over here. So in this video I'll be teaching you guys how to fix Roblox connection error problem. So first of all, what you have to do is to go to your phone menu and search for Play Store. So when you see Play Store, just tap on it. So when you tap on it, wait for it to load. So guys, let's wait. It's gonna finish right now. So after loading, what you have to do is to tap on the search apps over here in the search bar. So when you tap on it, what you have to do is to search for Roblox. So when you search for Roblox, it's going to appear like this. So guys, wait, it's going to appear like this. So guys, when you come over here, what you have to do is to tap on the update. So when you tap on update, then you are going to get the latest version of Roblox. So after that, what you have to do next is to go to your phone settings. When you go to your phone settings, what you have to do is to clear the cache and also storage. After doing this, Roblox is going to work correct for you and you are not going to face any connection problem. Thanks very much for watching this video. See you in my next video, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video to your friends.